P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is it that?
And that's it.
Turn your world upside down, but they're so perfect. You do everything you can to protect them. Pampers.
To it going down, and he explained what he saw in regards to these hatch covers. That's really key information.
Right. And Richard Orville was another Columbia employee that sailed with McSorley. And the springing action of that boat, that's why he's the one that said it was a diving board, you know. I mean, and he's also the one that said that certain wave conditions, I mean, the groaning, and you probably heard metal scream. I know you heard.
Yeah.
Do you remember which authorities contacted you?
Les gardes-côtes américains.
In the last 2 hours, the US Coast Guard's confirmed that a Canadian aircraft detected underwater noises.
Yesterday, the Canadian P-3 detected underwater noises in the search area. As a result, ROV operations were relocated in an attempt to explore the origin of the noises.
C'était réconfortant de voir que.
Actually back down from Stockton. Like it was almost at 5,000 cuts.
So Tony came on board, I think 2016. He centralized a lot of the engineering expertise and hired other engineers and built up the engineering team that were to really replace UW, to do their own designs and to create a finished vessel.
Stop listening to me instead.
Like it was pretty.
Oh, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me.
I still got that puppy breath.
Uh-huh.
Got teeth like needles.
Yeah. They're sharp.
Hello. Ruff.
Oh, tickle, tickle, tickle.
Of that happening, OceanGate were informed. I was enrolled under the whistleblower protection scheme. I was told that I would be protected.
Hello, Dewey.
OceanGate did respond. They filed a lawsuit against Mr. Lockridge.
Very good.
Thrombosis. What's that? Which is a medical term for the formation of a blood.
Oh, my precious, we all do. Just remember that taking things hurts too. Just as bad as those boys and girls think.
Because we haven't culminated, we've just started.
They told me we're going to murder poor old Gustav all over again.
No. Onto bigger and better things.
The dog,
No. A horse. No. Well, what then? A people.
Victor, I think it's time we had a little talk.
About?
Money.
Don't I pay you enough?
Oh, my word, yes.
What else should I pay you for? Your bedroom accomplishment?
But with
information.
About what?
About why you employ
Why I want to go to state parties, and why I keep visiting the service.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.